Welcome to all family of fluent English classes and respected my sir. I am Anurag Kumar and my team members are the Preeti, Rupams and Simi and Shivams, and my presentations on South America. South America is the fourth largest continent after the Asia, Africa, and North America. And the South America have 12 independent country with the 12 independent country and some territory or some territory are related to the other country like Bolivia, like Argentina, Chile, Brazil, Ecuador, and Colombia, Venezuela, and Guyana is the independent one of the independent country, and the French Guiana is the territory of the French, which are especially using in the launching the low Earth orbit rockets and satellites. And Falkland Iceland is a territory of the UK, and Guyana and Georgia Iceland is also a territory of UK, and these continents have a world's second largest river Amazon, and first largest river in terms of volume, and it have also a big forest known as the Amazon forest, and we are also called that the lungs of the world. And this country have a fresh navigation water is Titicaca Lake, and the longest falls is Angels Falls in this continent, and this continent have more than 70 heritage site, and this continent have two wonders in the seven wonder of the world. First of all, Peru, Machu Picchu in Peru, and Christian Redeemer in Brazil is the one of the wonder. And these continents have a north continent and North America, and in south have a Antarctica, and east of this continent have a Atlantic Oceans, and west of this continent have a Pacific Oceans. And this continent have a full of minerals, and the culture of fully appreciated connected to the European because of colonizations, and this continent have also a majority of in this continent have the big parts of Brazil's. And for the next contents, please come, Siva.
Good morning to all of you and respected sir, and I am Shivam Kumar. Today my class is presentation, and my presentation topic is South America history. History of South America. South America, Central America, Mexico, West Indies, and Caribbean countries together are called Latin America. Latin was the languages of the ancient Romans, as most of the Indian languages have evolved from Sanskrit. So many European languages such as Portuguese, French, Italian, and Spanish have evolved from Latin. And in the 16th century, a large number of Latin people from Portugal and Spain come and settle from Latin America. But now all these countries have become independent except French Guiana. And human life began millions of years ago, Central Hills in Peru. And my 2 points is South America, and my first point is founder of South America. Founder of South America, Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus sets foot in the American mainlands in the first times from Christopher Columbus. And my next point is oldest civilization in Americas. Oldest civilization in Americas, the Norte Chico civilization in Peru, the oldest civilization in America. And my next point is a brave history of Latin America. In 1492, in the first civilization established in the region where the Inca, Maya, and Aztec, Spanish Columbus, where his crew landed and launched Guyana in October 12, 1492. And 1519, Herman Cortes arrived in the Aztec city, Tenochtitlan in Mexico. And 1815, Simon Bolivar and George de Saint Martin was the first leader and advanced toward independence. And 1821, Mexico and Guatemala and another Central American countries got their independence. And 1826, most of the varietous and dissolving were the exception of Equa and Puerto Rico. And 1898, and my last points, 1898, all Latin American nation had become countries. Today my presentation, it has been complete here, and I call the next member, Rupam Kumari. Please come to the stage.
Good morning to all of you and respected sir and my elders for my presentation in geography. For geography and start. For the South America is the fourth largest country in the world, and South America is the total area of 1,78,14,000 and roughly on 8 land surface of earth. And South America is the two main physical feature in. For first features, Andes Mountains. Andes Mountain is the largest mountains in the world, and largest mountain in the South Americas, and second largest mountain in world. For Andes Mountain is areas in 14,500 in length and 15,000 feet. For run in north to south along western coastal plain of South Americas. The mountain span on 7 countries: Venezuela, Bolivia, Colombia, Peru, Chile, Argentina, and Ecuador. And the can be found in 10 degrees north and 57 degrees south latitude, and the 80 degree to 70 degree in longitude. Wide is 8,400 kilometers. And my next physical feature in Amazon rivers. The Amazon river is the largest river in the world, and my Amazon river is area for 75 lakhs square kilometers. The Amazon river is located in Brazil side. For Amazon is 60% world waters supply, and Amazon is located for animals is the 15% animals and plants, and 20 million people live in Amazon forest. And dams located in Amazon 412 dams in Amazon located. And my next topic is Atacama Desert. Atacama Desert is the Atacama Desert is part of the western coastal plains, and the Atacama Desert covers the driest region in the world. The average rainfall in about is 1 millimeter a year. Some part of the Atacama had never has the rain the recorded history. And my next topic is river system. River system is the main 6th important river. First, Amazon river. Second, Orinoco rivers. Third, Parana rivers. Fourth, Uruguay river, and Paraguay river. Fifth and sixth is the Sao Francisco rivers. And my next topic is Gulf. The Gulf is located in north of the South Americas, between Laguna Peninsula of the some Falcone State and east to the Venezuela, and Gajera Peninsula in Colombia to the east. And my topic is the complete. For next my members is Anurag.
Very good.
My next topic is economics. The the South America continent have more than 413 millions of populations with 70 million kilometer squares of area, and these continents have a Brazil's, Argentina, Chile have a share than more than 19% of economy, and this continent have the economics are dependent on the agriculture, infrastructure, agriculture, mining, export, import, and the mining, especially in mining. The agriculture of this continent, with 4 lakh thousand tons, it produced the sugar canes in per years. This continent produce the highest percent of the sugar cane, and with the 113 millions of soybeans, it produced the largest amount of the soybean in South America. And South America with the 3.3 million tons, the South America also produced the largest amount of the coffee, and with the world's 25% of the orange producing in the South America. And South America, it is the in amount of 70 million tons producing orange, and the some of the crops are have a large number of the producing in South America, and some of the crops are top under the 10. First of all, the sugarcane, soybean, coffee, and orange, and Brazil nut is the top largest producer of South America, and some of the crops are listed in top 10 like cashew, cocoa, and guava, mango, and cottons, and tobacco, and cherry. And in South America have more than 5,000 variety of the potato, especially in Peru regions, and agriculture and animal husbandry in this continent, also known as the good animal husbandry. First of all, the Brazils produce more chicken, 3.3 millions of chicken meats, and also it is second largest producer of the herd of the cattle, and second largest producer of the beef. And this continent have a third largest producer of milk, and fourth largest producer in a pork. Argentina is the major meat producer, and the industry of this continent. The listed of more valuable listed, the Brazil top ranked 13th by the list issued by the World Banks, and the Brazils have in the world, the paper industry is more famous in South America, ranked 8th. And in this the Chile is also known as the also wine industry, and the Suriname, Venezuela also known as the chemical factory in Caracas locations, and the Brazil have a good automobile sector and industry, and there also have a good steel plants and industry. And these continents have about the minings. Mining is the one of the natural resources of any country or continent, and the South America have a good minerals of the gold, silver, iron, zincs, and lithium. Lithium is one of the futuristic minerals which is helps in making in a battery, especially in electric vehicles, and zinc, bauxite, nickels, and many minerals are found here. And the oils in Brazil in 2019 it produced 2.9 million cubic feet of 2.9 barrel per day producing oils. And in natural resources, natural gases, the Argentina produce more than 5,000 million barrel per day cubic feet, and the Venezuela produce more than 900 million cubic feet, and Peru ranked 7 in the third in this continent, produced more than 800 million cubic feet of natural gases, and the Colombia produced more than 300 million cubic feet of the natural gases. In this year, Brazil produced more than 3 billion cubic feet of natural gases. And the tourists in a tourist destinations 2019, Argentina ranked 47th. In this in Argentina's have a 5.9 millions of attract 6.9 millions of international tourists, which generate the 5.9 millions of billions of the dollar, and Brazil's ranked 48, which with 5.5 millions of international tourists, which attract the more than $5.9 billion dollars, and Chile and Venezuela also attracts millions of the tourists and generate the billions of the dollar, and the tourism transport. This the South America continent have a not good infrastructure for the road, because of these regions have many Andes mountains cover the areas, and have many forest and Amazon rivers. It's affect the transport systems, and ocean corridor is the connect the Brazil, North Argentina and North Chile, and these continents have a good amounts of the airports and the ports, and the Brazil have a more than 44 international airport, which is the second largest airport in the world, and these continents have a good influence of the China, because good influence China in after the 2001. In 2001, the China relations South America with trade was 1.8 billions, but in 2018 it jumps 400 billions dollars, and the many men expected that the specialists expected that in 2035 the China and South America have a 2015 have a generates will be trading was jumps 700 billions, and from the 2011 to 2022 the Xi Jinping have visited more than 11 times, and the Venezuela have a most borrower of Chinese loan with the $16 billion, and in Brazil the China invested more than $16 billion from 2005 to 2015 in the energy sector and infrastructure, especially in mining area, and also the China is the largest trading partner of the Brazil, Chile and Argentina, and second largest partner of the most of the countries, and it is not good for the any country, because Chile Chile is more than 50% export dependent on the China, and these continents produce more than half the world uses copper. It produces more than copper, and lithium ion battery is also producing major amount. So and it's provide the very little term and conditions. China provide many little term and conditions with the loan. So Venezuela's conditions is fully dependent on China with the help of their infrastructure and their military equipments and so on. And for the discussion of next topic, please come see me.
Good evening, friend. Respected sir, my topic is South America is fact. The Amazon forest is home to untitled tribes. Another river follow Bolo in the Amazon River. The continent has 12 country, yes, 1,100 language. The South America is large home world in the snake. South America is a home to the pink dolphin. Antarctica it Ganucci on the 29th of the month. South America is the South America is the largest Amazon river. Amarachi is home to the dress in the western place on the western on the earth. South America is a continent is called New Worlds. My next presented Preeti.
Very good. Excellent.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am presenting my presentation, and my topic is South America, and my content is culture. In which culture I want to present religion. 69% Catholics, 19% Protestant, and 12% other. First, I want to tell you that Catholics and Protestant between difference. Catholic believe in Lordship Mary, but Protestant believe in only her Bible. And second is festival. Carnival festival is celebrated in South America, all over South America, and in this festival many people do fast and give up meat, sugar, other food, drink, because to trade for last time this festival. And second is Antirimi. In this festival it's religion celebration of the Incan Sun King Anti and Panchamama, Mother Earth. For example, in our Hinduism there are fire, air, earth, sky and water. And third is American Renaissance. In American Renaissance they celebrate in American Renaissance, American Renaissance 100th anniversary in 2017. It is famous for dance and music festival, and it is celebrated in South America. And Trapti festival celebrated in Eastern Island, and in this festival people wear less clothes, and they slide in banyan trunk and over the volcano, because they wear less clothes, because they get warm, and because of this they wear less clothes. And fifth is San Antonio de Arico. This festival celebrated in South America, and it is celebrated like this. The players are riding horse and playing archery. And fourth is food. In Platinos fritos all over South America you found, but all food you not found. Like ceviche you found in only Peru, and apples you found in only Bolivia, and pastels found only Brazil. And I am going to give conclusion. And my teammate and me are doing this journey to 2 weeks, and this is very helpful for we, because we are learning, and it is help in our education, and it give us knowledge. And our teammate, and in this presentation I understand how to manage time, how to coordination with team, and in this presentation we know that how to research and development in our, and how to memorize, how to give presentation, and many things.
Welcome here. I think you are the only student in this class who research too much. The way you gave your presentation, you put lot of information that shows your research and development. It's very good. And you have mentioned about the Chinese investment
Yes.
in South America.
Yes.
So why China needs investment in a very far away place like South America?
Because of the North America countries like USA and the maximum country not investing in their in South America, and especially the many minerals like especially lithiums and the copper. Previous the Asian previous presentations one who discussing about the China is the most manufacturing in producing in minerals, but the China give the most of copper from the minings from there, and their investment also in mining sector, and the lithium ion batteries especially the major company are especially mining theirs. They have no any competitors of from other countries.
Very good. Shivam, come here.
What is the significance of Andes Mountains?
Andes Mountain.
India's mountain.
Andes Mountain.
Andes mountain. Andes mountain is the South America oldest mountain in the first of
Okay, you have to tell me about the Atacama Desert of South America.
Atacama Desert.
Yes, Atacama Desert. Is it cold desert or hot desert?
It's a hot desert.
Hot desert? Are you sure?
Not such. Not such.
It is a cold desert. Okay, anyway, yes. Rupam, come here. Rupam, you talked about the Amazon, no?
Yes.
River. Why river Amazon is important not only in South America but all across the world?
See the importance for your oxygen for 20%, 15% for oxygen in Amazon river in world. For reason in Amazon river for supplying in water for world, and for located in animals for all in Amazon river.
Very good, excellent answer. Yes, Priti Kumari, come here. Very good answer. Kumar, simple question.
Which country of the South American continent leads in lithium ion production?
Okay, I'll ask you. South America shares boundary with which ocean?
Pacific Ocean and Antarctic Ocean.
Pacific Ocean and Antarctic Ocean. Very good. And you tell me, yes, your team member has mentioned about the South America is very rich in resources. Why South America is rich in resources? What is the reason?
Because in there many resources are founded.
That's why it is a resources. Because of the climatic conditions, because of the precipitation, because of the temperature. Okay, Simi, come here. Simi, what have you learned in the presentation? तुमने प्रेजेंटेशन में क्या सीखा?
The presentation work in resources of the resources large of the world in the Antarctica, South America is Amazon River.
Okay. Shivam, come here. Any message to your friends?
Today presentation is very good and South America continents good learn for and my team is good performance to my presentation. On we have good economics related points explain and facts semi rupam geographical topics Preeti is cultures and my topic is history is very good learning in South America continents and South America is good continents and my teammate bonding is very good. All the best.
Very good. Clap for them.